Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'll show you how you can see who unfollowed you on Instagram. So let's start. To know who unfollowed you on Instagram, the method is simple and we have to see manually. To check this, go to your followings and click on any profile you want to see he or she follows you. Or not, then go to his followings. Here if you see your profile on top of the followings, then that account follows you. And if you don't see your account on top of the followings, then that account does not follows you. Here I am checking for the account that does not follows me. And here you can see that my account is not showing on top of the followings. So it means that this account does not follows me back. And for the account you don't follow back, then you can check my searching or by finding the users on your followers section. If the account follow you for the account you don't follow back, you can see that it asks you to follow back, and it's the sign that this account still follows you. If the account does not follows you, then it will simply ask you to follow. So that's how you can check who unfollowed you on Instagram. You must be thinking that it only works for the people who we follow and on the users who we know. Yes, that's right. With this method we can't find the random users who unfollowed us, and why do we have to care about that random user? I hope you liked this video and found your answer.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.